use this top 5 Pro widgets to create magical interactions for your visitors. Mega menus are an excellent visual tool for organizing navigation on content-rich websites. Whether it's a big company or a WooCommerce store with an extensive product range, SaaS websites that need to detail numerous features, benefits, and use cases, or even food blogs that feature a variety of categories, mega menus offer a visually enhanced way to browse your content. The best part? Not every menu item needs a huge drop-down. Surprise your visitors by activating the drop-down content for just 1 or 2 items. This approach not only simplifies your menu, but also enhances the user experience by avoiding information overload. Design a container to fit your site aesthetics. Use icons, images, and even loop grids to make your mega menu stand out. And sometimes, you might choose to represent drop-down content with just an icon. Creativity has no limits. Lastly, you are not limited to direct your visitors only to pages. You can use action links to allow your visitors to quickly contact you in various ways. Forget all the carousels and slides you've used until now. With new nested carousels, you are free to create any layout with any widget. Build captivating slides in your hero section that showcase your top products, services, or features. Or a portfolio carousel that displays your work elegantly, making your life work get the wow effect it deserves at a glance. And the best part, you can leverage all the advanced features of Elementor at the widget level to create magical moments with each scroll. Elementor Pro includes a Portfolio Widget, perfect for those who want a quick, up-and-running showcase of their work. Imagine your posts are presenting details of your projects, and you use this widget to display their best or featured image in a gallery on your homepage. Plus, you can manage the query and add a quick filter top bar for easy sorting. While you can still have a more customized gallery using Loop Grid and a taxonomy filter widget, the Portfolio widget is all you need to get started quickly. The space you provide for your visitors to interact with you can make or break a deal. Whether it's for collecting leads, registrations, job applications, or newsletter subscriptions, the presentation of your forms can boost form submissions and lead collection. Elementor Pro allows you to visually build forms using any field type you need and customize them down to the last detail. Set multiple actions after submit, such as sending an automated email, redirecting to another page, storing your data in a dedicated space on your WordPress dashboard, and even integrating with popular marketing platforms. You'll feel the magic in your business. When you want the copy on your website to really stand out, an animated headline is your go-to widget. Choose a highlighted style to, well, highlight the messages you want to deliver, or change the misconceptions and set the record straight. Want to deliver a few messages with the same importance in the same website real estate area? Rotate between multiple messages related to what you do. With a rich variety of shapes and animations at your disposal, you can craft endless combinations to make your text stand out. All you need to focus on is crafting your key message. Elementor Pro will help you handle the rest. Actually, Elementor can help you with that too, but that's a story for another video. Get Elementor Pro today, create elevated website experiences.